In this video, I'm going to show you how to get coupons for Expedia. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser and head on over to Google. Once you're in Google, type in promo code for Expedia. And then you'll be brought to a whole list of results here. So you got Coupon Nation 9% promo code. You got Coupon Follow 25% off, Coupon Nation 9%. Groupon 30%, etc. You can even visit the official website of Expedia to see coupon codes as well. So any one of these will work. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a coupon follow. 25% seems pretty juicy. So I'm going to find that $25, 25% off. Here it is here. But if you want to use any one of these, just click into it. It's the same process. So now from here, what you want to do is click into the deal. And now this has taken me straight to Expedia to activate that deal. So once you make a purchase, that deal will be activated of 25% off early winter deals.